Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. If you follow my video, I'm an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money on ClickBank, and I'm also show you the top secret and how I'm making big money on ClickBank. The secret is just that I have a affiliate marketing traffic generating software which gather organic leads from digital platforms and promotes my affiliate links and product to targeted traffic. And my software generates more than 2,000 organic traffic daily, and with my software I'm going to get daily commission like the one you can see on the screen. This is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine, as you can see on the screen. So when you get my software and video course, my software comes with a video course which will take you step by step on how to use the software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Because affiliate marketing use similar method on other platforms also. It is just you getting the link to the products and promoting it with the software. So my video course will take you step by step on how to use the software to promote any of your affiliate link or product to targeted traffic, and you are going to get daily commission like the one you can see on the screen. Also, if you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to create a ClickBank account for you. Yes, there are some countries that have restrictions on ClickBank. They are not allowed to open ClickBank. Not minding your country, I'm going to create an account for you, and I'm going to give you my software and video course after you make the payment for it, and you are going to start earning. Also, I'm always accessible to my students. My students know that if you have any question, I will guide you till you start making money. So get my software and video course today by contacting me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen today, and get my software and video course to start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Remember, if you don't learn, you won't earn. So learn now on how to use my software to get big sales and start making big money. This is 2023. This is the year where we will have to make big money. So also, let me talk about this again. Some people have been asking me that since I'm making millions online, why am I still selling software? I'm selling software to gather affiliate marketers around the world. Yes, I have a bigger platform that is coming. So I'm using this opportunity to gather affiliate marketers around the world because I want to change the game for affiliate marketers that are serious and know the value of results like the one you can see on the screen. So contact me today on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course and start earning big with my software. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.